New to Notion? Welcome. You can use this for many things, but you may not know where to start. That's where templates come in handy. In this video, we'll show you how to add them to your workspace and how they can help you understand what you can do with Notion. To find our template collection, go to Templates in the sidebar. Or access our templates here whenever you create a new page. Our template picker is separated into sections that will help you navigate it better. So let's say you're a student. You may be inspired to pick one of these types of pages. To add it to your workspace, click Use this template. This club homepage template already includes a few sub-pages, so you can start adding your own content right away. Let's go back to the template picker to add some more pages. More advanced databases like this Class Notes database come with instructions and best practices at the top. You'll notice that this database is full of content when viewing in the template picker. But once you add to your workspace, we automatically delete most of the placeholder content for you. Once the templates are added to your workspace, you can start editing them to your fancy. For instance, you can hide the instructions at the top and add a cover photo to your page. In this Class Notes database, you can start adding your class numbers in this column. Or maybe you want to tag each class by the professor's name instead. You can see templates as teaching tools. They will help you better understand the things you can achieve with Notion, as well as how you can achieve them. To browse even more templates, select Full Template Gallery at the bottom right of the Templates window. You'll get to view and use pages created by us at Notion, but also by our wide community of Notion users like you. So if you ever find yourself asking, what do people use Notion for? You'll know to turn to our templates for ideas and inspiration. As you will find out, Notion comes in handy for virtually any project, whether personal or professional. From keeping track of your personal travel plans to creating a detailed content calendar for your company's blog. Happy exploring!